Hey, e-com innovators, want to supercharge your conversion rates this holiday season? In today's video, I'll teach you exactly how to implement a site-wide personalization engine, so every shopper sees the products they're most likely to buy. Let's get personal. Okay, so why do this right now? Why implement personalization 3 to 4 months before Black Friday? With traffic surging during Black Friday, serving generic landing pages just won't cut it. Personalization lets you match each visitor with curated products. It boosts engagement and average order values. Starting in August gives you time to collect data and optimize ahead of the peak. So, step 1, collect behavior data. First, you need rich data. Track on-site search queries, product views, and past purchases. This data is the fuel for your personalization engine. Deploy tools like GA4, your CMS tracking scripts, or a dedicated data layer. Make sure you're capturing key events, every click, search term, and add to cart action. Step 2, run pre-holiday experiments. Next, you need to set up experiments to see what resonates. Test different recommended for you carousels. Swap out your homepage hero image for a personalized banner or cross-sell related categories. A/B test each variant against your control. Measure uplift in click-through rate, add to cart, and revenue per session. Iterate until you find the winning formula. And step 3, integrate with email and paid ads. Personalization shouldn't stop on your site. Sync your high-value segments like viewed 3+ products or abandoned carts over $100 with your email and ad platforms. When these VIP shoppers land in their inbox or scroll social, they see dynamic content, the exact products they browsed. That unified experience drives higher CTR and faster conversions. So here's a key steps recap. Audit your personalization tools, Shopify scripts, dynamic yield, SFCC. Map high value segments, viewed 3+ products, 100+ in abandoned cart, and then deploy and measure uplift, CTR, add to cart, revenue per session. By auditing your current options, defining target segments, and measuring your results now, you'll enter Black Friday with a finely tuned personalization engine ready to maximize every visit. So, are you ready to make your store smarter? Hit that like button if you learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe for more e-commerce growth hacks, and drop us a comment down below with the personalization tool you're using or the results you've seen so we can all learn together. Thanks for watching, and catch you next time.